Well, good evening. The White House continues to push schools to reopen on schedule, and now the CDC is revamping its own guidelines on how to do that safely.
It is confusing for parents and school administrators.
But Dr. Deborah Birx hopes new guidelines from the CDC will ease some of that confusion.
So there's a lot of factors that have to come in.
The CDC's decision to put out new guidelines comes just days after President Trump complained about the CDC's original plans.
Well, I think the CDC guidance is very clear. What we're trying to really meld that with is understanding and showing where the public health tripwires are.
Birx said it's important for school districts to make decisions based on where the virus is spreading.
Cities and counties and states all are experiencing COVID differently.
But earlier this week, President Trump made no such distinction.
So we're very much going to put pressure on governors and everybody else to open the schools.
And Dr. Birx said it's important for every school district to have a plan in place for what to do when a student or staff member tests positive for COVID-19.
They need to know what they're going to do when they find one case, when they find 5 cases.
She said more than 47 states already have county-level plans in place to get kids back to school and expects those new CDC guidelines to come out soon.
To really provide a roadmap both for parents, educators, and school administrators.
The president threatened to cut off money for schools that don't open up, but the White House has not said what specific funding that would be. And regardless of any federal guidelines on reopening schools, that decision ultimately comes down to states and the individual school districts themselves. Reporting at the White House, I'm Trevor Shirley, CBS 4 News.
Trevor, thank you. Indiana State Superintendent feels the districts should ignore the rhetoric coming from Washington. On Twitter, State Superintendent Jennifer McCormick says, quote, with the recent COVID data, more conversations and plan adjustments are expected. She also says schools cannot and should not be bullied from D.C. into ignoring safety concerns. Not helpful.